I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
All right, hey kids, welcome back to JJ's cheap ass hat cam. I've been getting complaints that it's really blurry to see, but that's why it's JJ's cheap ass hat cam. Roto Twister, happy Mother's Day. All right, so what we've got here is we've got MotorMikes Lightning Headhunter build. Okay, this is the one I did the overview of the other day. Yeah. Bad to the bone, right? So this is the one that's running the Returner R6 motors, the Fortini F4 flight controller, yeah, and just the usual stuff. So we are going to pop this baby up and see what happens. Make sure the transmitter, yeah, been drinking. It's all good. So, how we do a headhunter? For you guys that don't know, that's how we do one. All right. 35 amp BL Heli S ESC. Bam! Look at that. Woohoo! This is pretty. Hopefully she don't blow up. All right. I have an identical. I have an identical bird to this that you guys saw in the video. The color changing headhunter. This one's the Lightning. Should be awesome. Look at that. That is really cool. Did you see that? Yeah. All right. JJ's got something wrong. But I totally sheared these two motors. Not the motors, but the actual props. That is fucking cool. So, I obviously have something not right. So let me go figure out what it is. Mike just shit himself. I'll be right back. All right, kids. Bam. Here we go. So, you saw that complete fuck up. I shredded a brand new antenna, which I think I can fix. That's not a big deal. I can fix that. But what I can't fix is I completely destroyed this motor. It will not rotate. I don't know if you can see that, but I completely bent and fucked up the shaft on that. So, what has happened? The bird itself is fine. There's no broken arms. Even the paint job's okay. Everything's okay, Mike. But a normal dude probably wouldn't put this online. Oh, I need to tighten those bolts up a little bit. That got loose. But normally somebody wouldn't upload this, but I completely fucked up. So you can see where it really hit that motor there. I destroyed this $26 motor. Just completely. Look at that. Bam, that thing is fucked up. And these are great motors, by the way. I'm not even going to attempt to fix it. I'm going to order a new one and replace it for him. I did get a little scratch there. Maybe I can patch up. But I'm going to tell you what I did wrong. I fucked up and I had one of the motors out of rotation in BL Heli and completely fucked it up. That was why it did that nasty death spin, and I trashed that motor on my buddy's bird that I built for him. So I'm going to post this anyway just to prove to you guys I build more birds than probably anybody I know. I built 3 this week. I built 4 last week. I build a lot of birds, and they are high-end birds usually, and everybody fucks up. Bam. So keep that in mind. Double check your shit. I did not. I fucked up. I'm going to buy him a new motor, get this baby in the mail to him. So we'll do the pop test coming up. Bam. Keep your shine side up, kids. That's not this side. That's this side. Bam. Take care.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.